come over here. This, viewers, is a knob.
Oh, fuck off, you fucking prick.
Now, I've come to the sunny little town of Huffington-On-Chest to meet Quentin McDingledude.
Hello.
Quentin,
Yeah,
nice to meet you.
pleasure to make your acquaintance.
So, it looks to me like you are a knob jockey.
Indeed I am, sir.
Could you explain to the viewers at home what a knob jockey is?
Essence of riding the knob.
Right, as a sport,
Absolutely.
not because you're taking up the chaff.
No.
So you are interested purely in women.
Absolutely.
You don't put your heinous cock up the anus.
They don't call me a cad for bumming.
Right. Once again, we found someone who suffers from occupational persecution. I'm going to lead you to jockey your knob.
Oh, excellent.